Hello everyone, welcome back to Fixage. This is a quick tutorial about how to replace your boring Windows 11 startup sound with any custom sound you want. So without further delay, let's jump in. Make sure your sound is in .wav format. If it is in MP3, you can use any free audio converter online to change it to WAV because Windows startup sound should be in WAV format. Then go to Start, click on the Settings. Here it is. In the Settings window, on the left side, click on the Personalization. On the right side, look for Themes and click on that. Inside the themes, click the sounds. Here it is. One window will open. Here, if play Windows startup sound will not enabled means just enable it because some of the system was disabled that because they don't want to hear any sound when Windows will start. So click on that checkbox, play Windows startup sound. After that, in the program events window, select any sound. So that time under this sound the options will change. So you can change any sound from the system itself or else you can browse the custom sound file. So I am downloaded one custom file. I'll browse that one. Click on browse, go to downloads. Here it is. It's in WAV file. So select the file, click on open. It's selected. You can test it, then click on apply and OK. Now need to restart your PC and you will hear your brand new startup sound what we selected now. And that's how you can give Windows 11 a personal touch. If you enjoyed this tip, hit like and share and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech fixes. Thank you for watching.